Oh. Okay. Here's my dragon-eating plant from Spyro the Dragon. It is easy to build. I'll show you in just a second. First, I have to take it apart. I'll show you how to build. I'll show you how to build each section as I get to it. We'll start with the face. Which we'll start with the main body or the face, in this case, down here. Can't see if I got all the pieces in the frame or not. But here you go. To start off, you want to use one of these. You want to use one of these pieces. It's a 1x2 side piece that you use when you want to make something that goes on the side of something, like a wall or something like that that has a special feature. And you want to have 2 of these pieces here. So then you put them together like this. Until you have something that looks like this. Then you add on, excuse me, 2 of these kinds of pieces in the back. I'll show you how to put them on. You put them on sideways like that. So the side parts, so the side block attachments face to the left or right. Then you take 2 of these lantern pieces that are brown. I don't know if you can see that or not. And you attach them to there. Whoops, can't hang on to it for some reason. There you go. So you have something that looks like this. And you add 2 of these Lego fangs to the front of the siding piece like that. And you take 2 of these angry eyes and you attach them like this. So you end up with something that looks a little bit like this. There you go. Something that looks like that. Then you add 2 of these circular pieces that are dark brown on the top to hold it all together. And you add a blue axle piece like this, and you attach it to the top like that, and there you have the face. Now to build the sides. Those are easy to do. To put the face up there. Okay, you have to have a brown one of these pieces and a dark brown sloping piece like this. Combine them like that to get this. And you add two of these kinds of pieces to them like that. So you have something that looks like this for one side. And something that looks like that. So you end up with the two sides like that. Excuse me. Like, so you end up with two sides that look like that. And to hook it all together, you need a back piece, which is what this little guy is, which is what this little guy right here is. To build the back piece, you need, whoops, I'm gonna hang on to it. You need a piece like this. One of these little Lego column top bricks, I think is what they're called. I'm not sure. You can feel free to correct me. And one of these base hooks pieces, and you hook them together so that they make something that looks like this. Then you add two brown Lego hook pieces like these. So you have a back piece. And then I'll show you how to build the face. Here are the two sides, in the back and the front. You first attach one side to the hooks like that. You attach one of the sides of the head to there, like so. I'll show you the side to show you how it works. And there you have the face. Well, almost the entire face. You're missing the jaw, of course. Leaving his head leaning back, sort of like this. I'll show you the jaw. The jaw is relatively easy to put together. You have one of these two stud bricks like that, and one of these. You hold them together with one of these pieces. This inverted dome. You can see that this inverted dome piece. That gets the hinge part ready to go. Now to build the base of the jaw, you use I'm gonna hang on to it. This piece here. Use two of these dark brown pieces to build the jaw like that, and attach the hinge to the hooks, like to the two hooks, like so. And you have yourself the basis for a dragon-eating plant. Now you notice it's missing something. It's missing the fronds. How can I forget the fronds? The fronds. This is a piece I picked up from a kit at I believe it was Dollar Tree, a vegetation kit. You just stick this on top like that, and voila, you have yourself a dragon-eating plant from Spyro the Dragon and the Reignited Trilogy. Complete with a moving jaw. This has been Jeff Hamilton, and I'll talk to you all, and I'll see you all next time.